Almost everyone you know nowadays will be somehow connected to a music streaming device. If for some reason you're not one of them, but are looking forward to seeing what the buzz is all about, then you've come to the right place. Since we at AudioZone are here to talk about the very best music streaming applications you can get to elevate your music listening experience. The apps on this list vary in monthly cost, compatibility, and ecosystem, but we're pretty sure everyone will find something they like in our video today. So without further ado, let's dive in. Being the pioneer in the whole music streaming shindig and arguably the best available service, Spotify has built an incredible reputation by offering a number of intelligently built music discovery services, such as the Discover Weekly playlist, while constantly updating and implementing new ones, such as stations. Not just music, Spotify came into the spotlight, no pun intended, by ramping up their non-musical content with a slight nudge towards podcasts. In comparison, it's very hard to choose between Apple Music and Spotify Premium. Spotify wins the heart of millions of its users worldwide due to a fun and easy-to-use interface combined with an extensive catalog and simply the best device compatibility. Not just that, but Spotify also offers the best free tier, where you, without paying a single penny, can listen to literally millions of tunes and even stream to numerous Wi-Fi devices. In terms of quality though, Apple Music, Amazon Music Unlimited, and Tidal are offering lossless and even Dolby Atmos music. That too with no hidden costs. This is the only place where Spotify falls behind since the promised hi-fi feature has yet to arrive with no confirmed release date. Despite all that, Spotify is still the #1 choice for the majority of listeners, and now you know why. The reason we put Apple Music after Spotify is mainly because of the difference in the number of subscribers. Apart from that, Apple has pretty much everything to run as the superior app in the list, specifically since they provide high-res lossless and spatial audio support to certain albums at zero extra charges. Coming with a relatively user-friendly interface, Apple Music contains over 90 million licensed tracks and compatibility with both iOS and Android devices. At this point, it's obvious to say how you'll benefit a bit more when you're from the Apple ecosystem and possess audio peripherals as such. Say if you own an Apple HomePod or Nest device, then voice-activated switch-ups are not a concept for the future anymore. The playlists are also handcrafted by musicians, though they lack the sharing options or add-ons you'll be getting with Spotify. When you want to buy digital music, Apple Music comes with a digital locker where you can store a library of songs you own. You can even upload your own music with a music subscription for either free or for $25 a year of iTunes Match. Be it a bit expensive, but hey, quality don't come cheap. If you're a tried and true audiophile by heart or by ear, you won't settle for either Spotify or Apple Music. Therefore, let us introduce Qobuz, which offers high-res audio streams too without requiring any dedicated hardware. Regardless if you're an Android user or someone who owns a pair of uber premium audiophile-grade speaker sets, Qobuz will make sure you get the music of the highest quality wherever you go. Although they don't offer Dolby Atmos music, it's forgivable since they don't have a massive selection of immersive music to begin with. With 2 paid plans, the high-res Studio Premiere will cost you $130 a year, while the Sublime Plus will cost you $180 annually. What's unique is that Qobuz offers its own high-res download store, and with the Sublime plan, you'll be able to bag some discounts. With over 70 million tracks, Qobuz rivals Spotify and Tidal in numbers alone, but might not have the most popular artists since they mainly focus on high-res recordings catered to fans of jazz and classical music. But it's cheaper than Tidal and doesn't require specialized hardware, making this a blast for audiophiles everywhere. After Jay-Z, Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter, wanted to join forces with Tidal, making it simply the best music streaming app for compensating artists. Going through a few noticeable changes nowadays, Tidal now comes with a free tier called Simply Tidal Free. When you want to go premium though, you can go for a $10 hi-fi plan that comes with lossless playback, or opt for the super premium self-explanatory $20 hi-fi plus tier. This price range puts it among the most expensive music streaming services right now. And not only because it offers high-res and Dolby Atmos mixes, the unique selling point of Tidal is how the subscription price scales to a better payout directly to the contributing artists, especially underrated musicians who aren't at the top of the charts. This service will pay the artist you streamed the most in a month 10% cut of your subscription fee, meaning if you only stream one song, they'll get $2. Combining this feature could mean some serious money for your favorite artists. Holding on to over 80 million tracks, Tidal can be considered the heart and soul of a musician who's in the streaming business. Coming as a free add-on with Amazon Prime membership, Amazon Music lets users choose between using the base variant or upgrading to Music Unlimited. Apart from having an expanded catalog, it includes the original HD service for $8 for Prime members. Music Unlimited can now give you access to literally millions of lossless tracks, which includes over 1,000 spatial mixes, to make use of your Dolby Atmos soundbars or Amazon Echo Studio. When considering usability, the interface of Music Unlimited is relatively more powerful than before, with varying playlists, vivid genres, and interesting podcasts that are all easily accessible from the main page, making this simply the best audio streaming app for when you're an avid Amazon Prime member. So that was our list of the best apps for streaming music in 2022. We do hope this video has made your decision a bit easier. If it did, let us know in the comments section below, alongside which streaming service you're going with, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.